Hello everyone, myself Sabina Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, SNS College of Technology. So in previous video, I explained about the introduction to the helium neon gas laser, right? So in this video, I am going to explain about the working and construction of the helium neon laser. So look at this diagram. This will be the schematic diagram of the helium neon gas laser, right? So it has it will be the gas molecules will be in the quartz tube. Quartz tube. The quartz tube it will be it consists of helium and neon molecules. So we already discussed in previous video. The helium neon gas laser ratio will be the 10:1 ratio. Okay. So let us consider the quartz tube. It has the length 80 centimeter and the diameter will be the 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So let us consider the quartz tube. It has the length 80 centimeter and the diameter 1.5 centimeter. So this will be act as a active medium. So this active medium consists of 10:1 ratio of helium and neon molecules, right? Neon gas molecules. So in its quartz tube it has 10:1 ratio of helium and neon gas molecules, right? So another basic term is, first one is active medium, second one is the optical resonator, so pumping source, and third one is the optical resonator, right? So here active medium, so quartz tube will be act as an active medium. It consists of helium and neon molecules of the ratio of 10:1, right? So the second will be the pumping source. So here we have used the inelastic collision pumping method, right? So we know that inelastic collision pumping method. So in inelastic collision pumping method, we need electric discharge tube, right? So that we have used RFO, radio frequency oscillator. This radio frequency oscillator will produce the electric pulses. So due to the electric pulses, so the helium and neon gets excited, right? So which act as the active pumping source, and here the pumping source will be the radio frequency oscillator, right? So the third one is optical resonator, right? So optical resonator is nothing but the pair of two mirrors. So here the optical resonator will be the pair of concave mirrors, right? So here we have two Brewster window, and this will be act as a concave mirror. So which one is, this one is 100% reflecting mirror. So this one will be the partially reflecting mirror. Okay. So here it acts as a, so concave mirror act as a, so pair of concave mirror act as a optical resonator. So in its left side it has fully reflecting mirror, in its right side it has partially reflecting mirror, right? So inside the fully reflecting mirror it has Brewster window. These windows are used to transmit the laser light source, right? So these are the construction of helium neon laser action. Okay, so next one will be the working of helium neon laser. Okay, so first of all, so the radio frequency oscillator will be switched on, so which can generate the electrons. So these electrons are injected into the this quartz tube. What will happen means the helium atom is collide with electron, then the helium becomes excited, right? So look at here. So now the radio frequency oscillator will be switched on. The electrons are injected into the quartz tube. Then these helium molecules will be excited because of the collision with electron. Okay. Now the helium becomes excited because the collision will be produced to the helium and the electron. So why? So here we have the question. So why helium will be gets excited? So for the meaning is, so here we have 10:1 ratio. So 10% of helium will be more compared to the neon, right? So here majority molecules are helium, the minority molecules are neon. That's why the helium will be excited due to the injection of electron, right? So now electrons is collide with the helium, then helium will be excited. Then excited helium again collide with the neon molecules. The neon becomes excited and helium comes to its original state. So this will be the working condition of helium neon laser, right? So working energy level diagram. So the helium neon laser, it has 6 energy level. This will be explained in later video. Thank you.